So first, I would like to say hi to everyone and welcome to this webinar. And also I would like to thanks the Vice Dean, Professor Rudinskas, for inviting us and giving us the opportunity to be here and virtually meet their students and share our experience. Before we start, to have very interesting lectures today, but before I start, I would like to talk a little bit what is the aircraft certification channel, and then talk about who we are. So you can pass the slide. So the aircraft certification channel basically is composed by myself and my partner, Rafaela Caillaux. So I'm Clarissa Fedel, and I'm a mechanical engineer with a specialization in aviation safety and continued airworthiness. And I have more than 20 years in experience in aviation industry as system development engineer, system safety and certification. And I also worked as an engineer delegated from the Brazilian Certification Authority and as certifying staff for the Japanese Civil Aviation Bureau. Together with Rafaela Caillaux, I'm co-founder of the Aircraft Certification Channel. And Rafaela now will talk a little bit about herself.
Okay, so hello everyone. Really a pleasure to be here. To spend this afternoon with you. So as Clarissa said, I'm the co-founder of the Aircraft Certification Channel. So it's a space to share experience and to bring meaningful information for the aviation industry. Talking about my background, I'm a civil engineer. And I did a specialization in aeronautics engineering. And I also worked for Embraer for about 10 years. Then I joined ANAC, the Brazilian Civil Aviation Authority, and I worked another 10 years for ANAC. Meanwhile, I also did a master degree in aircraft safety and aviation safety and aircraft airworthiness in Toulouse, ENAC. And I also worked at Mitsubishi Aerospace, which is why now we are in Japan. So that's where we got together once again in Japan, and we're here to try to share with you our experience and information regarding the aircraft industry. So thanks, Clarissa.
Yeah, so now that we know the founders of the aircraft certification, I'd like to talk a little bit about our mission. So we know that the universities provide a lot of information, a lot of education to us, but the knowledge that we acquire in the formal engineering education program are not enough for when we finish the course and enter in the market. So we need more. We needed to continuously looking for more information and for additional education and additional knowledge to keep going. That I have more than 20 years of experience and I'm still learning. I'm sure that all the brilliant professionals that are here are also continuously learning and looking for more information. So we need much more. And how we fill this gap. So we needed to share, we need to interact with people that have common goals with us and also share the same passion that is the aviation. And that is what the aircraft certification is about. So I have a little movie here that summarizes what's the mission of the aircraft certification channel. So as you are all aviation engineering students, and you're all here now for this lecture. So I'm quite sure that, like us, you are passionate about aviation. So if you want to join our community, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be aware every time that we upload a new video, because we share every week, we share information about aircraft development and certification. So you can have a lot of information over there. You also can be connected to us in our social media. So we are in all the social media, and every day we publish some curiosity or some interesting fact about aviation. So you can follow us and share information about that and acquire information about that. And if you want to subscribe to our newsletter and know about what's coming on in the aircraft certification and upcoming training that we can provide, you can join our community in our website, and then you keep you informed about updates and upcoming training that we in aviation field that we can provide to you. But now, let's go to what is interesting. That is the content of this webinar. So we will be here with you for 2 days, today and Wednesday. So today we have 2 brilliant experts in environmental control systems, that Fabio Stabile, that you talk about the environmental control systems in general, and Filipe von Tiesenhausen, that will detail more about the oxygen system. We will be back on Wednesday with Antonio talking about thermodynamic integration. Rafaela will be talking about certification, and I will be talking about system safety. So welcome aboard and enjoy your journey with us.